about shop days that happen in Malaysia. So here today we have 4 panel to be interviewed. On my left, we have Datin Akila, our famous businesswoman. Next, we have our trade of minister, Datuk Sri Liana, and on my right, we have Mr. Faris, one of customer in supermarket, and the last one we have Mr. Amar, the manager of Ziri. Okay, as we know, shortage is situations where the quantity available of supply in a market falls short of the quantity demanded or required at a given time or price. Firstly, let I ask an opinion from manager of Ziri, Mr. Amar, about Ziri Global.
The largest supermarkets in Kuala Terengganu, and it's only here in Kuala Terengganu. Ziri was founded by Mr. Low. He's a Chinese businessman who came from Batu Pahat with a brave mind that travels 500 kilometers to here. He started his business here in Kuala Terengganu in the east, and he started to open Ziri supermarkets. And the secret behind the name of Ziri is that it means in Chinese language the red sun rising from the east. Mr. Blow has started from the zero by selling clothes of people, children, women, and males in all territories in Kuala Terengganu. After that, he managed to open his first branch in Kuala Terengganu at Jitra, and then he opened his second branch in Gong Perak in 2012. After that, he opened his third branch in Kuala Barang, and the main headquarters of Ziri was in Makaf Tapai with a space of 50,000 square. But by 2016, he rebranded his company to be BXR. As you know, in Kuala Terengganu there is many branches of BXR. And then the managers are expecting to open 3 shop lots in mini market in Manier with the brand of XR Mart, and it's set to expand 10 different locations in the next 5 years, inshallah.
Can you explain about shortage that happen in Ziri?
Okay. Ziri doesn't have that a lot of shortage, except in some seasons like Hari Raya, Waisak Day, Diwali, and Chinese New Year. And if there is some shortage, it's going to be happening for oil, eggs, and flour. But in that days, the company already knows that it's going to be a demand on this brands or on this products. So the company increased increase the capacity of providing the supermarkets from the headquarters, so they're gonna face the shortage early. They know that's gonna be a big demand, so they bring a lot of stuff. If the shortage is still happening, the Ziri small branches will buy from retailers or from other supermarkets to overcome the shortage if people came and searched for the item and they didn't find it. So the managers in each brand are able to buy from other supermarkets and retailers to overcome the shortage in the branch. And by doing this, the shortage will not be happening.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Amar, for the explanation.
Thank you.
So next we have our Trade of Minister, Datuk Sri Liana, to explain about the environment of business in Malaysia.
Okay, thank you, the moderator. Today, 2019, is a challenges year for Malaysia economy because the external factors such as trade disputes between United States and China. So the economic environment include inflation, recession, and price level. Usually, in business, price level is always happen, such as during the festival seasons. This is because the price level will be high compared to the normal price. For example, cooking oil. The price will be high during the festival season, right? So This is because the demand are too high. So the shortage will be happen. So the many business cannot achieve the demand of the customers. So that's all.
Okay, thank you, our minister. Next, we have our businesswoman, Datin Akila. So, can you tell about a channel strategy?
Okay, thank you to moderator Ms. Fatin. To start a business, we have to use channel strategy. We use channel strategy to be more organized and efficient. For example, we have marketing mix, design marketing channel, selection of channel member, managing of channel strategy, and lastly, we need to evaluate the performance of channel members. Selection of channel members is important to a business because it is a provider that can satisfy all retailers' demand and at the same time save costs. After we select the channel member, we need to manage the channel marketing. For long orientation. Then we have to evaluate the performance of channel member. We can evaluate based on the task or the on time that the product arrive and the quality of product.
So, thank you, Datin Akila, for the
Okay,
explanation. So, now here we have Mr. Faris, one of the customer in supermarket. So, do you have faced any shortage? And so, when you face these situations, how you overcome that?
Okay, thank you, Miss Fatin. Okay, the answer for the first question is yes. Okay, so I have some recommendation to face this situation. Okay, the first is limit the item to the customer, which is one customer can only buy. Okay, for example, only buy 2 boxes of oil. Worker in Ziri must aware about get in and out customer to buy what item always be in shortage, such as oil, flour, sugar and egg. Okay, the second is manage inventory wisely. If you manage inventory wisely, it can be easy to counting our items, which is good control of inventory, good control of shortage. Okay, knowing your inventory level can decide when to top up your inventory. Okay, in Ziri, must put one or two worker trusted, always counting get in and out inventory, so that inventory turnover can be managed wisely. Okay, the third is planning schedule of production. Okay, do which is do specific schedule to reduce shortage, because factor always be shortage. The good thing of have specific schedule. Okay, for example, inventory Ziri always under control if have a good planning schedule of production. Okay, for example, if we know that item always in shortage, such as oil, finish in Ziri, so we will take another stock of oil in our store. Okay, and the last thing about order to delivery. Think about order to delivery, which is cycle time. Okay, cycle time is the total time from the beginning to the end of your process, as define your and your customer. Okay. You can reduce cycle time, which will decrease lead time, delay time, safety stock, inventory cost, and set-up time. Okay, such as Ziri must do it order to delivery because Ziri will make order of item that always has shortage immediately. Ziri must move fast to contact the supplier because item in shortage always out of stock. And if you do this, you can get customer satisfaction. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Faris. In short, I can conclude that shortage always happen in business. We have here the solution to overcome the shortage, so many business can apply it in their business to manage the situation. That's all. Thank you.